Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where access is denied or restricted on a certain folder and you wish to give it access, then here's what you can do. Open a folder, okay? I'll keep it in the large icons mode. Right click on the folder and then select show more options, select properties, go to the security tab and then select the account for which you need the access. Click on edit and make sure that there is no tick on deny, because you cannot change the ticks on allow, but make sure that there is no tick on deny or deny full control. If it is denied, then it is all gone. Okay, and just erase all of these ticks. Click on apply and then on OK and then on OK. But if you want to do it for multiple folders and you cannot do it individually for each folder, here's what you can do. Temporarily disable user account control. So search for UAC, short for user account control, in the Windows search bar. Click on change account settings, lower this to 0 and then click on OK. Just click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.